How to fix iPhone calls dropping issue. If you're having this dropped calls automatically issue after your iOS update, then to solve it, this video is for you. First of all, simply slide from the top right corner and open your control center. Now toggle on the airplane mode for a few seconds and then toggle it back off again. Also check your internet connection if it is working fine or not. Once you check both of this, now you have to launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, scroll down a little bit. There you will see phone application. Once you found out full application, simply tap on that. From here again scroll down. There you will see call forwarding option. Go through call forwarding and make sure that it is turned off. Once you check all of these things, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.